So based on the requirement here, it says that mother makes cupcakes. And this is the constraint that every two cupcakes, yeah, he needs one egg. So one egg is only enough. So one egg is only enough for two cupcake. And 1 kilogram kg flour is only enough for 10 cupcakes. So if mother wants to make 20 cupcakes, how many eggs and how many flour should be provided? So this is the questions, yeah. This is the problem that we have. So remember, the programming is transforming the problem into solution. Always bear in mind that when you are doing the programming, actually you are transforming the problem into the solution. So it means that we have a problem here now, and we gonna we're gonna make the transformation, the solution. Yeah. So how to open the project? So Fania, yeah, follow me here. Yeah, follow my screen. That you have this kind of screen. Yeah, because you are just joining the class. So you start with the file. Do you have file there? Yes. Okay. So you go into the new notebook drive. Okay. You have it. And the title, you can adjust the title. Okay. The title, you can type it like this. FC commit. Commit is our group name, yeah. FC commit intro one hello. Okay. Do not eliminate the .ipynb. Just leave it as is there because this is the extension indicate that we are working with the Python notebook. You can make your new text here. Follow me. We have text there. Click the text, and then you can make hash here. And then the title is previously, what is the title? Number 5 cakes. Yeah. So you can have this kind, put it two, yeah, two hash there, 5.3, and then cakes. Yeah, that's it. For the others, this is just the repeated for the for the Fania, yeah, because Fania just joining us now, so Fania needs kind of shortcut. Okay, one moment, maybe 3 minutes. We have, we can continue. So you put it in here in the text, yeah, should be like this. Below the cakes, when you mouse over, when you mouse over here, there will be also text and code together. At this time, you click the code. Okay, and here we go. So in this part, we will do a coding. Okay. Yes. Now, so I move back to the previous slide. Sorry, previous file. So mother makes cupcake. So for two cupcakes, she needs two eggs. And then for the 10 cupcake, she needs 1 kilogram flour. So in here, I specify a kind of constants. Okay, constants means that this is the kind of a static value that will never be changed along the way we are working with the code. So it will always be stay the same in our code. We cannot change it. Okay, so we call that constants. So cupcake, so I have the base egg, yeah, base egg to represent that two cupcake needs, two cupcake, she needs one egg. So one egg for the two cupcakes, 0.5 egg, yeah. So one cupcake needs 0.5 egg. This is the same. When we are saying two cupcake need one egg, we can also write this kind of statement. Yeah, one cupcake need 0.5x needs 0.5x. So base egg is 0.5. So Fania, you can type as on my screen here. And then you can continue with the base of floor. Yeah, for the rest, if you want to type, also you're welcome. And I suggest you to put this kind of remark here, yeah, to indicate what the objective of every part below of the remark. So this is the constant. It means that the two is the constant. Okay. And then for the 10 cupcakes, you need 1 kilogram flour. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna put it here that flour needed 0.1. Okay. So one cupcake needs 0.1 kg flour. So we specify the needs of our ingredients or raw material here, the egg and the flour for each cake, yeah, for one cake, yeah. And then you can put input here, and then you can put the process, and then you can put the output. So remember that we always have these three parts: input, process, and output. Okay. So bear in mind that we always have number one, input, number two, process, and number three, output. So make sure that you will always do the separation of the process. Okay, good. Now we continue with this. What is the input here? The input is how many ones you want to make cupcake. So the cupcake, based on the requirement, you can do like these cupcakes. Input how many cupcakes do you want to make, or how many cupcakes does mother want to make. Okay. So since we need the input in the term of the integer, so that's why we have the ent here. Yeah, because we need integer. So why we need integer? Because we want to calculate, we want to do computation integer, the cupcake that we want to multiply with the egg and the flour, yeah. So that's why integer should be used here to indicate that we're gonna have the input. We will accept the input in the term of integer. So the process here is the total egg. Okay. The total of the cupcake that he makes, yeah, times the base egg. Because base egg is the base egg means that the egg that is needed for one cupcake. And also the total flour is the total of the cupcakes that mother makes times the base flour. Okay? I give you 1 minute, adjust your code accordingly to the code that I have here. Okay, good. So we continue to the last part, which is we have the output here. Yes, so the output is that C needs the total eggs and total flour. Or make it more intuitive, yeah, to make how many cupcakes again? Cupcakes. So to make cupcakes, uh, mother needs. This is the variable of x, and then continue with total flour of the kilogram kg flour. Okay, so that's all. Okay, so now you can execute the code. Once you finish writing the code, you can execute it now. Okay, simply by clicking this button. Okay, it asks us how many cupcakes does mother want to make. Let's say 20. Yeah, because our requirement also says that she wants to make 20 cupcakes. To make 20 cupcakes, mother needs 10 eggs and 2 kilogram flour. Okay, so this is the end of our homework.